Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I would like to thank everyone who normally tune into my videos and my live streams. Um, so this is just a quick video. Um, I can't stay too long because I believe they're playing music, of course, and don't want a copyright. Um, so what I'm doing basically right now is uh, still trying to figure out with these heaters. Obviously, um, so there was basically five heaters, eight heaters in total, but I was able to connect six of them, and one of them died. The other one, I believe, there's a shortage in it. So I turned on the breaker and it shorted out. Uh, and when I investigate, there's something wrong with the plugin itself. So I have to up up movement TV. Less yeah, bro. The morning life. I gotta time it better with you, because um, yeah, when I rise and we're doing the morning life, I didn't get the notification. It's only when I popped back in I saw it. But nevertheless, I'll fix that, but thanks for popping in. It's just a quick video, anyways. Um, so I'm just basically in the basement right now, and they've finished the basement with the drywall completed, and up Morel Simmons. I think I saw that name on Gaza Uncle, I think, or Real Vice TV. Don't remember. Yeah, so I'm basically down in the basement working away, and it's not as cold as before. And um, trying to provide heat. And okay, from Gaza Uncle's. Okay, thanks for. No, not today. Not today. It's good weather, It's good weather. That's why I don't have the hat on. Oh, it's Jackie. Okay, okay. Thank you for checking in, Jackie. I saw the name somewhere, but I wasn't sure. Thanks for checking in, Jackie, for the support. Normally, I just will show videos and stuff like that. I'll do a walkthrough. It's probably just a quick walkthrough of what I'm doing. So I'll switch the camera. Yes, thanks, Jackie. I'll switch the. So this is what the basement looks like right now, and those are the heaters that I'm currently connecting, and I basically had to use some type of covering to hide my cable. So normally by code, if I'm going to be running any type of wire along the floor, I have to put a yeah, I know. Yeah, I figure. Yeah, yeah. I know Jackie. It's just the name. Um, so normally I don't do this type of work inside of the homes, but because it's such a large home and they need the heating, normally I would run it on the drywall, but because this wire here is going back to I'll show you the main electrical room. So this is my cable here, up movement TV. There's a cable underneath here, and it basically goes back to the electrical room. But because I'm running it on the floor, I have to um, I have to provide some protection. So that's the panel right there, and that's where the cable is going back to. So it's basically just temporary power I'm providing for the for the heaters. But because I'm running it in open space, I have to protect my cable from mechanical damage. Any kind of damage, I have to make sure that it's protected for the others. So these are basically joists that they use inside of the homes, run across the floors. So they had this stuff here, so I don't need to build anything. So I basically just use it to hide my cable. And this here is the heater. The other heater I went to connect, but obviously there's something going on with this. As you can see, it's a little bit damaged. So I can get that from the supplier. So I'll have to get that from the supplier. And this is basically the rest of the basement. Okay, never really showed you. I don't think you've ever seen the basement of movement. Uh, this is the tunnel that leads back to the pool house. As you can see, it's dark there. I haven't provided any light in there yet. Um, and these are all my lights down in the basement I'm gonna have. This is basically a parking garage. So this is the parking garage, and that's where they will exit to go up the ramp. It's about maybe a six-car parking garage down inside the basement. And like I said, I've got lots of stuff going on in here, but I couldn't really show the final for the drywall because oh, guys are uncle. Uh, I wasn't sure if you were going live today or not. I didn't see you post any videos. Obviously, you're probably in Jamaica right now. So hope you had a great trip. Um, so yeah, this is the basement that's finished with the drywall. And as I said, every time I come, I have to do something totally different. And I can't get too close to the stairs that they're installing, but these are the stairs that they're going to be installing, and I have to run some LED lights underneath these stairs that they have set up for me, and um, not sure if I'm going to get to it today. The reason being is I got other stuff to do, and it's not really of importance to me right now. So, but this is basically the stairs, and this is the basement. Up Movement TV, up 9 to 5 boss. Thanks for tuning in. Uh, this is the elevator here, and obviously the wire that you see there is going to be a wire that's going to be used for a pit light, they call it. I have to install a light in here and a receptacle. Once these guys come and they start to connect the elevator by code, I have to have an elevator light and a receptacle inside of the elevator for it's called mechanical. If they have to fix anything, they want to be able to see at the bottom what they're doing. So it's in the code, but has to be provided. And that's basically the wire right there. And I haven't obviously. Yes, 9 to 5. Yes, thanks for tuning in. Like I said, um, but yeah, this is going to be an elevator. I don't believe you guys have ever seen it. And I'll show you guys the theater room since you're here. you get an idea of what type of work I'm doing here. And so right now is it's dark down here because I haven't gotten time to do any temporary lighting as yet. When I think I'm getting to that, is something else. So this is basically the theater room. As you can see, um, there's lots of speakers going on in here. There's two on this wall here, back wall, and in total, there's another three sets of speakers on this back wall here also, and also going straight down the line here, there's another set of speakers, but I believe they've obviously missed one of my speaker wires. It should be in line with the other the other side. So it's another thing I have to do is keep checking on these guys. No, same home. Up Movement TV. No, bro, I can't handle two of them at the same time. It will drain the hell out of me, and yeah, I cannot handle two of them at the same time. It's impossible to do that as I have to be here most of the time. So it's impossible. Movement TV. It's the same place, but this is the basement, and it's a theater room where they'll come, they'll relax, and they'll enjoy the entertainment. So these are basically just speakers that they're gonna have in here to play the music and set up the surround system. Um, so yeah, this is the theater room, right? I'm showing it because I don't believe you've ever seen it. You've probably seen it. I don't know if you have seen it on. I have lots of videos out there, so I don't think you would know which one to check for the entertainment room. So this is basically it, and eventually, you see, they've changed this here, obviously, um, and they've buried my box here for some strange reason. Um, so yeah, again, these guys, they do things a little bit different. I'm not sure why they will bury. So that's the thing with some of these guys that you meet in the trade. You would think that they will have enough common sense to realize that I have a plug there, but obviously they don't care about other workers. So they've buried my receptacle inside of here. They've possibly buried it while putting this on, obviously. So it's an ongoing thing with the guys here. It's like frustrating because they don't use their brains half the time, and when I do have to tell them something, they get upset like babies and they whine and stuff like that. So that's what it's been going on constantly. The burying of my stuff is kind of it's getting really annoying right now. Yeah, movement TV is unprofessional. I mean, if you like I said, I don't know if it might be very well. No, this is it's sealed down, obviously, and I don't know if they're leaving it uh, here, but I'm assuming they are because this wasn't like this before. Uh, they might very well be using it as some kind of temporary stairs, but I doubt it. I believe it's going to be a stairs that's finished. And yeah, like you say, it's unprofessional, bro. They have no respect for the work that others do, and yeah, they'll have to take that off because I'm not sure. I'm supposed to run some lights on the outside. And the other thing is they switch their mind as they go a lot. So I get that a lot. But yeah, this is the theater room. And as you can see, it's like There's a lot of plugs here. Um, and over in that corner, there's going to be a sink there. Uh, and I'm going to have some LED strip lights running across here. And also, I'm supposed to have the LED strip lights running across, and that's why that box was there. But obviously, they've buried it, so it's another thing that they've buried on me. And then this is the stairs here. That yeah, bro, yeah. No, normally movement TV when it's coming down to the end, when everything is wired and everything, it becomes less of a headache because it's just finishing, and finishing is um, part lights. It doesn't take us long to do part lights. Uh, but yeah, it's a lot of work, and but this is the stairs here, and I have to run some low voltage wire on the stairs. As you can see, they've made some holes here, and I have to somehow get my wire. Um, I have to get my wire on the other side to bring my cable out. So I'll be using some low voltage cable to come out and run alongside here as I jump in and out. So this is another thing that they're pressuring me to do, but yeah, I'm not in a rush right now. And as soon as I run that cable, they're going to connect this stairs onto that wall there. It's going to just shift over and go onto the wall. But yeah, this is the stairs that's going to be installed. So I have to run LED lights, and of course, so this is basically the nanny's bedroom. For who hasn't seen it, um, this is basically what it looks like, and that's my disconnect that I had used for the outside service. Reason why that's there is because it's more than 5 feet away from the panel. So code states that anything that's more than 5 feet away from the panel, you have to have a disconnect. And for that reason, the disconnect is right there. This is basically a washroom. All right. So yeah, obviously, like I said, these guys are playing music, and I'm gonna have to somehow talk while I try to pass them because there'll probably be a copyright if I don't continue talking. I don't know how it works, but this is basically outside smoke area where they'll come relax. So yeah, movement TV. It's a lot of work, but obviously most of the work is done. It's just this area here is a kitchen, so it's just finishing right now. I'm doing right. All of this is already done, and I just have to put the pieces together now that it's almost finishing time. Um, Want to put on my gloves because it's really cold. Not so bad, but And again, this area here where you see that light, it's going to be a TV and your fireplace there. Um, and the area straight ahead is going to be a gym room. I kind of don't want to go over in that area because it's going to interfere with the copywriting. Normally, when these guys play their music, if I'm not careful, I do get a copyright. So I'm kind of trying to stay away from that area. So yeah, movement is it's a lot of work. Yes, get to work. The inspector is on his way. Okay, are you the inspector? As you come in, you can leave a light on the channel on the uh, DSG label. You can, if you're interested in the content, you can subscribe to the channel also. Um, it's mostly electrical. Sometimes I switch the topic up for whoever wants to switch it up. But thanks for the comment, DSG label. Uh, Appreciated. Anyways, like I was saying, I don't want to go over to the other side because I will get a copyright. And so yeah, this is basically the basement. It's finished with the drywall, and obviously the heaters. There's one heater. It's up and running. There's another heater there, so it's good enough to keep myself warm. As it's always nice to keep my hands warm and my feet. These here are just pipes for the in-floor heating, under the floor heating, and that will work off of a boiler boiler system. On every floor will have its own boiler. So as you can see, I have my temporary. I have to do my temporary lighting. And down in the basement, also, I'm going to be using whatever I can for the smoke detectors to turn the circuit on sometime this week once I get to it. So normally, so this stairs here, it's a different type of lighting I normally do for the stairs. Obviously, I had to do my research and figure out which kind of lighting I'm going to put underneath the stairs. Obviously, I don't want to be cutting all type of cable, uh, low voltage LED strip. The supplier does provide the right length of cable for me to use for the stairs. That's the good thing about the supplier. They have everything that you can possibly think of. And so this is basically the electrical room. As you all know, I still have to finish connecting. So my goal is to just hide the wire as much as I can to make it neat, so I don't have to show everything inside of the electrical room when it comes to showing all my wires. I still have lots of work here. I still have to run wires for the boiler inside this area also. So I'm not done yet, and I also have to provide a light inside here, a couple lights inside this area. No, it's not a mansion, I would say, but it's big enough. DSG label. Um, so yeah, so this is, like I said, the garage, and I've got there's a couple heaters. This one doesn't work, along with another heater that don't work. Uh, this will be a TV inside the garage. So this area will have a TV. Also, that area will have two TVs and also a couple spotlights. I'm not sure what this cable is, but these guys are definitely um, they're a tool because now they've. I'm not sure why they've moved this cable here. Doesn't make sense. Two speakers in one area. So these drywallers, they're definitely there's something wrong with them. It's like they're not smart enough to know what's going on. So um, I'm not sure. And like I said, it was a quick video. So yeah, so like I said, it was a quick video, short video. I don't believe I've done a video in a while on the job. It's been a couple days now, so I figure I'll keep up to date with my videos on the job and how the job's progressing. And again, I'd like to thank all you guys who've tuned in to the live stream, Up Movement TV. Thanks for always showing up. Nine to five boss. Thanks for always checking into the videos, and also the real Gaza uncle. Thanks for the continuing support. Uh, um, wasn't possible without you. The strength you give to be able to do the videos and go live. And Morel Simmons, thank you. Your first time checking into my live streams, and obviously, thanks for the support. And I'm not sure who DSG8 label is, but thanks for tuning in to the live stream. And I will catch you guys on the next live. Thank you.